So working with the same image as before and not the background layer but a regular layer, we choose the slice selection tool. Now we have our auto slices and our user slices. Now the auto slices are the gray ones and they can be confusing, so what we can do is go up to hide auto slices and that will just show us only the user slices, which makes it easier to work with. And even though hidden, we can still select the auto slices and even make them into user slices by hitting promote, and now we can edit them and move them around. Like other objects in Photoshop, slices can be arranged as some sit on top and some sit below. All you have to do to change one is select a slice and then go to the control bar where you can choose an option such as bring to front or send to back. Now this slice is on top of the other slice. Any box that you create can be then divided into smaller boxes of equal or unequal size by hitting the divide button. You can choose how many boxes you'd like to divide it into, or you can choose the size of each box by pixel. All you have to do is hit OK and it'll divide it up. If you then decide that you wanted to keep the box undivided, you can easily right click and you can go to combine and it'll return it to the box that it was. You can also align slice boxes like many other items in Photoshop by holding down the Shift key and selecting the two boxes, then you select how you'd like to align them. Each box also has slice options. All you have to do is select one box and go to the slice option button, and here you can name your slice as well as decide which URL it's going to go to, if it's going to have an alt tag. These are usually used for when you're creating websites, perhaps buttons or clickable images. It also shows you the size of the image, and you can also select a background type, matte, white, black, anything that you prefer. You can also access the slice options and other commands by right-clicking one of the boxes. When saving, it's best to use the Save for Web and Devices option, because if you use Save As, it will get rid of all the slice options that you've applied. In this dialog box, we'll be using the Slice Selection tool and the magnifying glass. We want to zoom out so we can see the whole image. Here we can select both our user slices and the auto slices by using the Slice Selection tool. We can choose the format of each slice. Here we'll use JPEG and we'll use GIF. For the auto slices, when you change the format of one, for example PNG24, you will change all of the auto slices because they're all linked together. You cannot differentiate just one. When we're ready to save, we will hit the Save button, and we're going to choose the destination. We'll choose just the desktop for now, and then we'll hit the Save button. Now if we go to the desktop, we will see that there is a new images folder that wasn't there before. When we click it, we can see all the new slices that have been created by our program. We can use these now on the web or anywhere else that we would need to use pieces of our original image.